Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lekando. I do makeup videos here on YouTube. So if you're new here on my channel, if this is your first time stopping by, you are so blessed and you're so welcome to join my family. Just click the red button and click the notification bell so you can always be alerted when I upload a new video. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing a Ciara inspired makeup look. Who I know who Ciara is, the R&B maker, American artist. Yeah, so today I'm gonna do. So what I'm going to do in this tutorial is that I'm going to follow through with Ciara's makeup look, the one that you saw on the thumbnail. And to start that, I did apply my face primer from Kiss Beauty Primer, and then now I'm just doing my eyebrows. I'm using a Kylie pencil to the start of my brows, and I'm just using a stroking method and following through with my natural shape. And then later on, I'm gonna use my spoolie just to come through and diffuse all the products in together. And then later I'm gonna fill the rest of my brows with the black eyeshadow from the Kiss Beauty eyeshadow studio, and I'm just going to follow through with the natural shape of my brows, as you guys can see here on the video. So this eyebrow portion is very easy to follow. And now that I'm done filling in my brows, I'm gonna use a flat angled brush to clean out my eyebrows, and I'll use the Iman Pro Concealer in the shade 03 to clean out my brows. But I'm gonna use the same concealer on top of my brows as well as beneath my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna use a flat brush just to clean out the extra concealer. So what I'm gonna make sure to do is that on my under eyebrows is that I'm gonna pull the concealer down on my eyelid so that it can act as a base for the shadow which I'm going to apply later on. Now that the ivory portion is done, everything is well diffused and well blended, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and the foundation that I'll be using is the nude Kiss Beauty Nude Magic Foundation 8 in 1. So this foundation is actually a foundation which you can use on different skin tones, different type of skin tone. It can go with 8 different shades because it dries nude. Doesn't matter what shade you are. When you apply this foundation, it's gonna dry nude. So you guys are going to see. So another thing that you need to know is that the foundation is full coverage, so you want to go in with a little foundation and just be building up on what you have, until you get the coverage that you want. And to help me blend the foundation, I'm just using a damp beauty blender. The foundation application is over, so the next step that I'm taking is highlighting. So I'm going to use the Iman Pro Concealer 03. This is the concealer that I use to thin out my brows. So I'm going to highlight my face on my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my pubic bowl, chin, forehead, and also beneath my cheekbone. Create a reverse contour, and I'm going to use the same damp beauty blender to blend out the concealer, making sure that everything is diffused right into my skin. For contouring, I'm using the Gulflower or Gulflower. I'm gonna link the name of the product in the description, but I have been having a little bit of trouble pronouncing the name of this contour palette. I don't know if I should say Gulflower or Gulflower. So it really depends on how you want to pronounce it, but the name I'm going to link it in the description box. So from that contour palette, I'm just using the darker shade and mixing a little bit of a black eyeshadow from the Kiss Beauty Studio palette, from the Kiss Beauty eyeshadow studio, which I use to create my brows. So I'm just applying that on my forehead as well as my cheekbone, and I'm gonna use the same product to contour my nose later on after I finish setting my face with Naked for Kiss Beauty setting powder 04. For my nose contour, I'm using the same contour brush, which I used to contour my face. I did not add any product on the brush, so I was just using whatever that remained on the brush to contour my nose. And then later, I'm going in with my eye makeup application. And to do that, I'm using the brown shade from the Professional Matte 10 eyeshadow palette. And then later on, I'm gonna go in with a simple wing liner, and that is pretty much it. Yeah. And then for the lips, I'll just use the Kylie pencil to outline my lip and use a bit of some concealer to create a nude lip. And that is pretty much it for this look, you guys. It's very easy to follow. It's simple. It's a natural look. It's a natural glam. Inspired by Ciara, who is my favorite R&B artist. Yeah, I love Ciara so much, so I just thought that I could do a makeup inspired by her. A makeup look inspired by her. So yes guys, this is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I for one enjoyed making this look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like, share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Mwah. Kisses.